Press the red button. Open the machine. Press Set button the first time to set the temperature. Press plus and minus to adjust the parameter. Press Set button the second time to set the time. Plus and minus to adjust. Press Set again to save the parameter. Fahrenheit and Celsius switch. Long press Set button for 6 seconds until you hear the beep sound. Press plus switch to Fahrenheit. Press minus switch to Celsius. Here I switch to Fahrenheit. Press Set button to save the setting. Now you can adjust the temperature and time according previous step. Save the parameter.